Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do another unboxing, and this time it's the Clover Soft Touch crochet hook set. And I think this video will be helpful, especially for those who haven't decided yet on what crochet hook set to get for themselves. So without any more delays, let's get right to it. So like many beginner crocheters, I also started with the cheap metallic crochet hooks out there, and it really gave me a lot of pain from my fingers to my hand to my wrists and eventually to my whole arm shooting up to my shoulder, until I discovered the more ergonomic options in crochet hooks. The first ergonomic crochet hook that I bought was the Clover Soft Touch. As crocheters, it's important to have the right tools to create your masterpieces. So outside it has this thick, hard plastic packaging that serves as a protective case for the hook set. Alright, I'm looking through what's written here. It's written in Japanese. Alright, there's a diagram of the hook, and here you can see the different sizes. Alright, there's number 8, meaning there's 8 pieces. Okay, now we're gonna try to take it off that plastic packaging, hard case. Alright, and now you can see the hook case that came from Clover. Okay, there's the logo. Embroidered logo of the Clover. And I noticed that this hook case is made of very soft and thin, like linen cotton. So as you can see, I can fold it, and I was just surprised at how soft and how it provides no protection at all for the hooks inside. So it's not really a hook case for protection, it's more of a container to keep your hooks in one place, because the material used is very soft and very thin. So we're preparing to see the hooks. Okay, I'm gonna take this small sized hook. This is the 2.0 millimeters. Alright, it's not focusing. It says they're Clover Japan at the label. Okay, and this one is a small size, 2 millimeters. The hook itself is made of lightweight and durable aluminum. The material provides a smooth polished finish to the hook, allowing the yarn to glide smoothly while crocheting. The handle is made of a soft plastic material that feels great in your hand, and it provides a comfortable and ergonomic grip. You can see that this flattened shape fits comfortably in the palm of your hand, and it tapers down to a narrow point where the hook begins. This design allows you to hold the hook in a very natural position with your fingers resting comfortably on the handle. There is a soft pad in the middle part of the handle where your thumb can rest, and it makes crocheting even more comfortable. Okay, as you can see, the shape is very thin but very sturdy because it's made of hard plastic that's very comfortable to hold in your hands. There, Clover Japan is clearly visible. So we're gonna try to close it to see how it looks like. Okay, so just roll it and close it with that button. And it's a very light, easy to carry case, crochet hook case for when you need to travel or just to put in your bag. Right, but as I told you, the case is very soft and it gives no actual protection from, for example, if you sit on your bag or sit on it on your bag, it might get crooked and broken. Alright, so this case is really not a protective case. It's more of a case where you can put all of your needles or your crochet hooks in one place. Okay, for effect, I'm gonna show you the tulip gray, the tulip Etimo gray case, which is made of sturdier material. Okay, so outside they use this canvas like gray fabric that has this shiny glittery thing, and inside is even there's a hard cardboard inside the lining of this case, so it really serves as a protective case. It won't get dented, or so just in case you sat on it, the tulip Etimo case will give more protection for your hooks as compared to this Clover Soft Touch, which has a very soft hook case that is just made of a very thin linen fabric. Alright, so If you compare this to the case of the tulip gray, the Etimo is more provides more protection for your hooks. Alright, so let's go back to your Clover. Let's go back to the Clover Soft Touch. Okay, now I'm going to compare, okay, the US sizing and the Japan made hook. Alright, so I'm gonna show you this 4mm hook. That is the Japan made. You can see it's 7. Okay, this is the one made from Japan. It's 7. In millimeters, it's only 4mm. But this one that's made from the US is also 7. But in millimeter sizing, it is 4.5 millimeters. So be sure to check your sizing for Clover US and Clover Japan, because the millimeter numbering and the millimeter sizing is different. Okay, if we compare the handle too, you can see that the Japan made is thinner and longer. Right, so just a tad longer than the US made, which is thicker. You can see the handle is much thicker than the one from Japan. There. I found this interesting and surprising. Alright, but if you hold it, okay, I haven't used the Japan set yet. All I have been using in the past is this US made Clover Soft Touch hook, and it's really, in my opinion, one of the best crochet hooks out there because of its ergonomic design that makes sure that you have less hand fatigue whenever you crochet. Alright, so maybe later I'll try to use this Japan made Clover Soft Touch. Now let's see if the 5 millimeters from Japan is as thick as this 4.5 from the US, but you can see that it's still a bit thinner than the one from the US, although the sizing is bigger. Okay, I guess they made the Japan set thinner, okay, for design, and the US made is made with a thicker handle. I found this really interesting. Alright, I'm putting it back. Okay, and it really has no other slot for my US Clover hook, so unfortunately I cannot put it together with these other hooks. So I guess it's just gonna have to stay out of the case. So we're gonna do a test. Okay, if we're gonna do a test to show if the hooks are as good as what they say. Okay, but I've already been using the Clover Soft Touch, one made from the US, and I have no problems with it so far. It's really everything that it promised to be. It lessened hand fatigue, and it made my crocheting experience pleasantly delightful. Okay, now we're gonna test this one from the Japan made Clover Soft Touch. Okay, this yarn is worsted yarn. So when it comes to crochet hooks, it may seem that the soft touch is more expensive compared to the other options on the market. But if you think of the many advantages of the Clover Soft Touch, such as its ergonomic design that is made to reduce stress on your hands and fingers, or especially for those who are suffering from arthritis or other hand and wrist conditions, then this might be a good option because these hooks are designed to reduce the stress on your hands and fingers. So these hooks are also made of high quality materials and they are made to be durable and long lasting. So that means you won't have to replace your hooks as often, which can save you money in the long run. So overall, while this hook set may be more expensive, the value it provides in terms of comfort and durability makes it a worthwhile investment for anyone who enjoys crochet. Alright, so I highly recommend this Clover Soft Touch hook set. It's very pretty. It has a case. Okay, only it doesn't have an extra slot for other. If you have other Clover Soft Touch that you bought individually, you can't put it in this case because it only has a slot for 8. Alright, and that's it. That's our review for this Clover Soft Touch hook case. Alright, so if you're planning to buy a hook set and you can't decide between the popular brands out there, okay, please watch my videos. Okay, I'm gonna do more unboxing in the next week. And if you find this unboxing and reviews helpful, be sure to like and share and subscribe to my channel. It will really help me a lot in making more videos like this. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!